Akyea obi biara edeba Daily TRENZ TV eso ensem a editie o man Ghana eno ena yakeka abomu na yede bre ye tiefo yensem re no na yense wadaje no yenko na enkuti ensem no enchemu
Kokovite edi betu dwa se nyankopon ya dom abosom ya yebesemu ne de toso miensa ye July 10 ena ode ne judgment beba ya the case involving Chairman Wontumi as against the state the summer boy case eno na Ghana ya file charges there tia Chairman Bernard Kibosi ya kon Chairman Wontumi say wagitumi krata se akonta mining ekotu from ogudie e wo summer boy asase so so the Lands and Natural Resources Ministry together with Operation Illegal Mining for Edru assassin so summer boy no. Nipa a assassin so awoye adwuma one Henry Okum and afi one Michael Eisijitu enye akonta mining. Eno na the Attorney General ejina so the file charge detail Chairman Wontumi say ono akasa jane to me so adane asase a di ye wo so ya akonta mining e dia mo be fufuro ma nipa no etu assassin so from ogudi a enyina emra so na se the charges na bubo Chairman Wontumi. Lawyer ni an representing Chairman Wontumi a lawyer Akyea Kubi. Lawyer Akyea Kubi last week filed a motion for application to withdraw as lead counsel for Chairman Wontumi in the ongoing summer boy case. Or citing reasons be said, one, kwanya judge ni faso education no enyina maraso. Waka aye bi betumi bia, but it looks as if we say there is this big hand behind ya APA se chinchina yemfa Chairman Wontumi ento. Enunti ono he stands for rule of law. Say rule of law nyejuma dia ene onto aso any case ni bi ho ene file a motion e wo court ene high court ko asetra omo so eto motion to go say lawyer Akyea Kubi say all representing Chairman Wontumi bi wa o hia court permission no dey withdraw from the case. You can just file a normal standard notice of withdrawal with the registry of the court. We are no serve the client Chairman Wontumi, no serve court no be. Na court registry no I inform judge ni awati adwaso no. Ni update court records. Any power will take over, no be take over. As simple as that. And Justice Audrey Kokovite SRD to just say date ya wa share ye 3rd July for judgment ni die. The lawyer Akyea Kubi withdraw one functional judgment says that date ni be yedwuma. She is going to deliver the final judgment. And I say ye he ni mu a ni ye he anamo lawyer Akyea Kubi betu. Breaking news abeka say lawyer Akyea Kubi are filing the standard notice of withdrawal e court registry. Ama officially the court registry are informing the court of the notice of withdrawal. Hence, court documents and court records have been updated. Say a new counsel has been appointed by Chairman Bernard Kibosi to continue the summer boy case. The learned counsel lawyer Atta. Don't wanna say Attorney General Master because lawyer Atta already represented another appointee in court. You were a Dubois. The state against a Dubois. A young Kwanya or the witnesses Attorney General Nakasa from Odomo Faso during cross examination. Lawyer Atta during cross examination, Otumima prosecution witness and testify edited the prosecution. Lawyer Atta for you. They said here, lawyer Atta and Eba Beso City. Lawyer Akyea Kubi. This is the official statement from Nipa Ojina Emrenimo Mira Bernard Kibosi Mamenken Kai Enchel Kakra or say I Bernard Kibosi into bracket Chairman Wontumi wish to respectively inform the court, the parties, and the general public that I have decided to appoint Honorable Lawyer Samuel Atta as my lead defense counsel in the ongoing criminal proceedings against me. This decision has been taken after careful consultation and in the exercise of my constitutional right to legal representation by counsel of my own choosing. It is intended to ensure that my defense is presented fully, effectively, and in accordance with the law. I express my sincere appreciation to my previous legal team for their services and commitment throughout these proceedings. My decision should not be construed as a reflection on the competence or dedication, but rather as an exercise of my legal right to determine the composition of my defense team. The charges before the courts are serious, and I remain firm, committed to defending myself through the due process of law. As with every accused person, until proven guilty by a court of competent jurisdiction, the burden rests on the prosecution to establish every element of the offenses charged beyond reasonable doubt. Accordingly, my newly appointed counsel will take the necessary lawful steps to assume responsibility for my defense, review the record of proceedings, and make all submissions and applications that may be necessary to safeguard my constitutional right to a fair hearing. I have full confidence that the judicial process will be guided by the Constitution, the laws of Ghana, and the principles of justice and fairness. I therefore respectfully request that all parties and the public allow the legal process to proceed without speculation or prejudice while my defense is conducted in accordance with the law. Signed, Bernard NP Bosiakon, Chairman Wontumi. A powerful statement by Chairman himself on the appointment of a new lead counsel. Lawyer Samuel Atta. Said the case between Dubois and the state. Counsel Lawyer Atta and the Attorney General Faso. Offer someone the prosecution witnesses and testify and tell the prosecution in court during cross-examination. The Juma Lawyer Atta to be Ayine. But let me chip in this piece of information. A little bit of education. I was said the Pado Duanano this platform and Saka. It is on record say, and they are Chairman Wontumi say, Yoku, and then to all building properties of Chairman Wontumi. Elunti sources close to Chairman Wontumi Chiremwa, People's Mother, Yamame Patricia J, and Onwa donated a 4-bedroom apartment. Chairman Wontumi in the Yerenema, Etihodom, as we speak now. Sources close to Chairman Wontumi, as I disclose, say every single bank account of Chairman Wontumi has been frozen by Yoko, even including his mobile money wallet. And as I'm making a new because you are Felix of Usukwachi a grantee interview. And to just say, Chairman Wontumi Momo account umpo Yoko freeze. Enunti Nesika Sem and one Sem Kayeno, I did the Chairman, no credit na me. And the lawyer and the Akyea could be and a bar bontain voluntarily. Say obey different the Chairman Wontumi without taking a penny from Chairman. Enunti obi jira baby ka say Chairman Wontumi ato sika togo. Lawyer and the Akyea could be a sika dia enya no correct. Lawyer and the Akyea could be anyi a peswa from Chairman Wontumi. Or no one dedicating him say ahonye hi Chairman wo muniti. Na wo obi a woni mra na wo di Ghana mrachi over 20 years nti. Or no be dedicating him no defend Chairman Wontumi. Because financially Yoko freezing almost every source of income for Chairman Bernard Chubusa. Now the multi-million-dollar question I will be say. Ye won nipa ejina mrenim for causing financial loss to the state. Yeah, these allegations na bo to say you Rahana ne yire. To say you was SCB. To say former Gehok CEO. To say you Dubois. None of them and Iyoko freezing accounts. Chairman Wontumi case at Iyoko Gina so the freezing accounts. A case said, Wadania Sasia a dino. Eya konta mine no akasa ne de dia mo be fofo se ontu so for mudie case we na Iyoko Gina so e dey freeze almost every source of income of Chairman Wontumi and sample na tano no mere forest e dey na nsen ya ezem bank case no kureba. Indeed, that is the truth of the matter. Indeed, nay so you say the honorable Samuel Atta aba on board the ono so di nim dia e famara ho e ba be na the honorable Samuel Atta e bowura Accra High Court na okoji enkrata e fa case ye ho. You that short video very very interesting. I mean fans also na film come over.
I am quite someone boy case my family motion for leave to withdraw legal services. Another my psyche the reasons affidavit disappointments I mean some of the decisions of the court procedural decisions near them psyche as why I'm disappointed, and for that reason the film said the client who says better said to another person appearing as counsel. And another application. Number 2, public interest questions. Every bank now who said, client no, the interest will be better said, say, option who as a lawyer. Last week Thursday, and when you say, application for appeal on submission of notice. Now, we call registry of the court. Now, the record is the young inspector. It will be fair file register here with the record register and some kind. And it is appeal in the hospital. Yes, we call it. Now, me feel it a situation and cut. So say about the appeal of the record. Chairman Pato, Adaroma, submission of no case, no, a abria by board the court and now what they will crack up for say, would you say a buying years in the your client into na court and they said there be Mumbai, but Oko Feda, Echo Court of Appeal. And when I will say, Sa appeal now what the call, you know. Yenya Franche who entry Guni Akamasa. Yam Simbo records with NFPA transmitted at a call for people. Now, we have the idea of the can say, if you can say, okay, say application says, no what can I look at say, why assignment a movie there and some document, a church away assignment, my Ghana. A church will be a sunset interest in an assignment. And now, a much more for a truly of Bawo, summer by cycle. If you're truly of Baba, a truly a Ghana, will be a root to be a Nura. It is a son of Mokopa and Nura, my own medium. Ofa, a Hunkata Namere. What's the book of called you? God, you know, mine and India. For a assembly. But Gita, mechanic said, assignment document really, and we not to find a case as part of discovery. And now, what mechanic said, it told me I can't want some new and any department. A registration document in it. And what I can say, gold no, I can't want some new and department. Now, I koto biawi. Now, court here, I say, application at the buyer, court in so for both. And this message application. Obi a bisa some court you see above. Yama, the so you know,
prosecutor no a ɛsɛ ɔno na obeyi nsɛm no ama no kwan abɔ ebi ne mu ɛhwɛ a yɛsiki da ɛbɛba kɔɔto a agyen date no a agree.
But before so they do adjournment in the soon. But we were catch say remedy in law. Sanka application no you both to be no be appealing. I didn't one appeal on that.
Under the circumstances, not alternatively, we'll see who is said. The one from Madia, they cannot file it to prove their case. Rather than they go on appeal, they elected not to appeal but prevent it from being attended because they discovered their media. Somehow, now you say, in order not to appeal, in any case, don't forget that the court appeal to us to determine this. The proceedings were still going on because it means submission of notice still proceedings it was dismissed. And now the mood of the court was one that we also consider say they are creating them who's there BBS anymore because someone from Madia it is not discovered there which is BBS anymore. This is the answer to it.
I think you have adjournment and now can answer.
Adjournment is the Biana a court because the way a court no notwithstanding in fact cases crying in other courts now and say influence court no and my court convenient date. Most of the days in the court they were very inconvenient because now if you have a case is true, they say the moment you court number 80. Now what the case is for granted, it is only your appearance that justifies the conduct of the case. But in case management, you have to repair to come to court and so on. And then we are not, I say, conflict between the bar and the bench. And then we are now holding. Now if we say, wholesome and not conduct of the case. The filing submission of no case. Submission of no case, the filing. A copy of documents, federal citations would be, it was just one sentence or two sentences ruling and the proceedings. They call appeal to a record of proceedings. I'm not saying a record. Somehow the disappointment I need to get out and get somebody else to come, probably be able to prosecute the case better than I have done.
Social media so and someone